Namaskar, this is Seshadri, your labor law advisor, corporate trainer, past IC member. Statutory compliance. Yes, this is very important thing for all HRs. Last month there was a large amount of complaints were their annual returns and labor welfare fund like that. So hope you would have completed. This month what are all the complaints we need to take care of, things we are going to see. In addition to that, trainings this month as well as updates. Lot of PF updates have come. That also we are going to see in addition. Important judgments what are all came in January, that also at a glance we are going to see. Let us start with the compliance. This month PF and ESI as usual compliance 15th February we need to complete. For the month of January 2025, PF we have to generate challan and pay, ESI also as well as we have to prepare a challan and pay. International workers returns also we have to file on or before 15th February 2025. Next, CLRA annual returns. Yes, for the principal employer they have to file on or before 15th February. Form 25. This is not applicable for others. Only Shop and Establishment Act establishments they have to follow this. Form 22 Factories Act or Catering and Establishment Act, BD Seeger workers, plantation labor, motor transport workers, those people, those establishments need not to follow this rule because already it is covered under combined annual returns. Trainings. This month we have session on shop and establishment complaints at Chennai City. As well as performance management and appraisals. Though in this regard, we are going to see one-day session at Vandalur on 21st February, as well as the same day technical session on lean manufacturing tools also going to be happen at Vandalur. So, shop and establishment complaints, performance appraisal, lean manufacturing. This is at Chennai, as well as in Bangalore. On 25th February, we are planning labor laws regulations, employee hiring till his separation. What are all the labor laws and regulations we need to follow while employing the people in establishment as well as the factories. Please circulate this to your colleagues. And HR updates, if you see, simplification of PF transfer. PF transfers, some of the simplification they have done earlier. There are a lot of procedures, those things they simplified when falls in 4 categories. About this we'll publish a detailed video. And joint declaration, in the same way, joint declaration also, when the small changes are there, the joint declaration now no need to, if the member is uploading, they need not to upload any documentation. As well as employer, yes, they have to, if employer is initiating, they have to upload the physical joint declaration in scanned format. Those details also given in the employer portal. We will also publish a separate video on this. Delinking, in case any employee's UAN is linked with any other company where he has not performed any work and not paid any amount in ECR, then he can delink easily member itself. In this regard, there is an option given in the UAN login service history. If you go, then you can delink the employee with the OTP. Centralized pension system has been implemented. With this, now the pension who are going to receive any pension, they can choose any bank in India. So not some particular bank we need to choose like that. There is no restriction on this. And EPS, some of the organization they have exempted in EPS, that is pension scheme. Those data are not available in the portal as well as EPFO. For collection of data, they have made the provision even exempted, pension exempted establishments. CPI, now up to November, CPI numbers we have received. 339 points we have as of now. Up to December, January to December, we will be having this will be calculated for DA. Shortly, December also will update. Judgments, if you see judgments, very nice judgments have come. That is a knowledge full judgments we can say. Relief. The workman, when the inquiry is going on, he joined in some other company. That time you will not get any relief under that any inquiry. That is Supreme Court of India has confirmed this. And contractor, when the contractor is changing, principal employer cannot demand or impose the new contractor should take all the old contractor employees like that. They should not. That's Guwahati High Court's judgment. Children, one employee you are transferring to another place, he is saying because of children's education, I cannot go to the new place, transfer place. That is not possible. That is confirmed by Delhi High Court. Gratuity, when the employee has done something causing embezzlement, because of that you are going to forfeiture his gratuity. Yes, it is correct. That's what Gujarat High Court has confirmed. And when all the witness reside in one state, in one place only, all the witnesses are there, complaint given person that she is also in the one place, then post inquiry should not be initiated in other state. That is confirmed by Madras High Court. Claim cannot be rejected because you formed a trade union and registered. Whatever the demand you raise, whatever the demand, I will reject. Like that should not be said. Madras High Court has given this judgment. Contractor of service, contractor for service. There is a lot of difference. When the contractor of service, master servant relationship is there, and when contract for service, it is no. That's what Odisha High Court has given. Separate video, we have to discuss this thing. We will publish this. Then forced resignation. How it will be treated as a forced, in case if you are getting any signature on white paper, that one only forced resignation. Otherwise, if he is writing the resignation letter, that is not a forced resignation. Allahabad High Court has confirmed this judgment. No interest in case the gratuity you delay if you are paying, we need to pay interest. But the delay is because of employee's fault, no need to pay interest. That is confirmed by Gujarat High Court. Unauthorized absent employee, you are sending the letter, is not responding, you cannot go for direct termination. Confirmed by Supreme Court of India. Employer can reduce PF contribution in case if he is paying higher amount and then above the statutory limit, if he wants to reduce, yes, it is okay. That is Gujarat High Court has confirmed this. Trainees performing the work, same work, regular employee also performing the same work, trainee also performing the same work, then the trainee should be covered under EPF Act. Kerala High Court has given judgment. Interest imposed under section 7Q cannot be waived off. Kerala High Court. Rejecting the request adjournment, rejected, and then damages are imposed by rejecting the adjournment, definitely that is illegal. Kerala High Court. Employee cannot demand or enforce voluntary contribution of larger amount of statutory obligation. That is PF, you cannot demand the employer you pay for more contribution. Gujarat High Court. One driver is there, accountant, both are paid wages, but they are paying as a stipend to evade the EPF. Then EPF it will be covered. That's what Kerala High Court given judgment. Thank you. Hope you would have liked this video. Please share this video to your HR colleagues and HR subordinates so that they will also get more knowledge. We will come back with a good video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.